Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel, The Family in Poland. So today is our next vlog, but I wouldn't say vlog, but also like because it's an informational video as well. Like I'm applying for the blue card, so I'm going to their office. So I will be telling like what steps we have to do, what all documents are required over there, and how is the experience over there. So for me, actually one of the company is applying because I'm applying through the company. So that's the thing. So they will be doing things for me, but what all documents I have to take and how is the procedure, all those things we can tell you how is the experience. So first of all, you have to go to the nearby office, the government office. So it's not everyone have to go to the same office. So ours is different where I'm going. So what all documents I'm carrying with me? Like I have my passport. I have they require 4 biometric photos. They require your parcel number. They require work permit, and they require your insurance. Like you have insurance, you have taken contract of employment, and if you are a bachelor, like you go TRC and blue card. What I heard, they are the little bit different, same thing. But with blue card, you need to have like bachelor degree. Like we have 4 years of BTech technology, so you need to have that degree as well. So I have to take those degree with me for each semester. Also I need to take, and the final degree also I need to take with me. So that all is document which I have to carry. Also you need to have your lease agreement. Yeah. So today weather is cold. Actually 16 degree. So September mid and the weather has started to change. So sometime it's 13 degree also, like 2-3 days before. Today it's 16 degree. It rains also, without rain also, and this week it's showing 7 degree as well. Let's see. Now I have come to my stop after 35 minutes of metro tram, I mean. So it's a little bit drizzling, and it's quite temperature, like quite in a sense you will not see much noise happening here. Yeah. So we have reached our office. So as you can see, but this area looks like it's full of government type of area only, because you will see many people coming here, there. They are walking, like you can understand, like there is so much of government work will be there. So yeah, we have an appointment at 9:15 and we will see how it goes, and I will tell you guys. So they only allow entry when I think 15-20 minutes before your time. So I went inside, and many of the people who went inside, they ask like what is the time you have the appointment, and if it's not your appointment time, they will send you back. So I'm waiting outside, waiting for our lawyer who will be coming. Now our process is done. So first you have to go inside the office, and you have to take the ticket number. So after that it's going to take 20 minutes when you get allowed when you get to the desk. So what they are going to do, they are going to ask you all the documents like rental agreement, your bachelor degree, your supplement, your like all the semester degrees, and what else, your parcel number. So everything they require in your rent agreement, I told you, your employment contract, everything they require in Polish. So you have to get everything translated to Polish, and there is some standard way through which you have to get it this thing done. So after they take the document, they are going to stamp your passport as well, and they require 4 biometric photos. So yeah, that's the process, that's the documents which they require. This is for me it's done through the lawyer. So I think, and you have to also show like you have paid the paid receipt, like you have some, I don't know how much money they have to pay, like 400 zloty, what I am assuming, but I think also. So after that nothing is there, you have to come. So they will stamp, and then you have to wait for your process, like, and you can check meanwhile on their website as well, or they will give you a number as well. So you will get a message or email like, okay, this is the allotment, this is your document registration number has started. Yeah guys, this was I think our vlog, and this is the information which will be, I think, helpful to many of the people. So it's windy as well and cold as well. People are wearing coat, blazer. So I think winter is going to start soon in Krakow. So guys, have a great day and please like and share, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos. And I will also let you know in other like what is the progress we are getting, or if we get anything else we have to do. Okay guys, bye bye.